There's a place where the earth roars with life, where the wild runs free. Welcome to the Maasai Mara, home to the Great Migration, breathtaking landscapes, close encounters with the BigFive, and the spirit of the Maasai people. Here are 6 unforgettable reasons why this land calls to every adventurer. 1. The Great Migration. Every year, over 1 million wildebeest thunder across the plains in one of nature's most epic spectacles, the Great Migration. A pulse-pounding journey of survival, drama, and raw instinct. 2. Incredible wildlife encounters. Here, the BigFive don't just exist, they dominate. Lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffalo roam the wild and free, offering close encounters you'll never forget. Three, authentic Maasai culture. Beyond the wildlife, meet the guardians of this land, the Maasai people. Proud, resilient, and deeply connected to nature. Their stories, their songs, and their spirit, unforgettable. Four, breathtaking landscapes. From the golden grasslands to the acacia trees, silhouetted by the setting sun, every inch of the Mara is a masterpiece, painted in the colors of Africa. 5. Golden hours of safari photography. As the sun rises and sets, the light transforms the land. It's the golden hour, when the predators prowl, herds move, and every shot becomes a story. 6. Unforgettable safari drives. Strap in for a heart-pounding open-top drive. Guided by expert trackers, you'll follow fresh paw prints, chase distant roars, and feel the wild like never before. This isn't just a trip, it's a call to the wild, the Maasai Mara, where every moment is untamed.